Hello students. So this is Pranav Priyamvad and I am welcoming you to my channel. So today we are starting mole concept and this is the first lecture. So we will cover everything in detail and we will also cover in basics. Everything we will go in detail. We will take it to advanced level. This is beneficial for NEET, JEE and board student also. So first of all, what is mole concept? First is the definition. 1 mole. I am writing this. I have written everything on the board for your convenience earlier. So we will also write more things also. First you note down mole. Mole, what is mole? I am telling you the definition of mole. First definition is no use for JEE and NEET exam, but for board exam it is useful. So I am telling the definition of mole. So mole is defined as 1 mole of a substance is defined as amount of substance in gram which contains, write down, 1 mole of any substance is defined as amount of substance in gram which contains same number of particles as there are atoms in C12 isotope. Got it? So what we have got, that what 1 mole, we have read that this is the definition. Now exactly we will see in how to calculate. So first of all, 1 mole is Na particles. I'm writing there 1 mole is Na particles. So 2 mole is 2 Na particle and 1 mole contain how many entities? So 1 mole contains 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 particles. Okay. Now we will see how many neutrons are there in 20 atoms of bismuth. This is a question. Some basics. First we have learned some basics of mole. Now we will see that some definition of definition of atomic structure, some basics you have to understand, so only we can proceed. So first is how many neutrons are there in 20 atoms of bismuth. So in 1 atom of bismuth there are 126, as we know that 126 atoms neutrons in 1 atom of bismuth. So in 20 we will multiply it by 20, we will get 2520 atoms neutrons. Okay, and we know that the mass number is number of neutrons plus number of protons, and electron revolve around the nucleus. Okay, another question is n number of neutron plus number of proton plus number of electron in Na atoms of sodium. So in 1 atom of sodium, 12 neutron, 11 proton and 11 electron are there. As we know, atomic number of sodium is 11 and mass number is 23. So number of neutron is n total atomic mass minus z. So 23 minus 11 is number of neutron is 12. So the total is 34. But we have asked in question that Na atom. So for Na atom is 34 Na entities. Number of n plus p plus e total entities is 34 Na. Okay. Now we will start mole calculation formulas. First formula is how to calculate mole. There are 4 ways. First formula is given mass by molar mass, which is W by M. Second is, this you have to write in your notes. Second is capital N by Na, which is number divided by Avogadro number. Let's say in question it is given that 5 into 10 raised per 50 atoms are there, number of entities are there. It can be molecule, it can be atom. So we can calculate like that. Dividing by Na we will get directly moles. N means moles, small n means moles. These are the basic conventions. Third method is using ideal gas equation. Ideal gas is PV equal to nRT. So N is PV by RT. Clear? No confusion. I think you don't have any confusion. Next we will see what is molarity. Molarity is basically moles by volume in liter. So moles will be molarity into volume in liter. So these are the basics we have covered in this lecture. Now we will move further with some concepts. So further concept is representation of atom. We will write there. Sorry for bad handwriting, but just representation of atom. Atom is when, let's say this is the atom X, this is A, this is Z. So this is our atom. A is atomic number, Z is atomic mass. You can write that here, that Z is atomic, sorry, I have told reverse. Z is atomic number, A is atomic mass. Okay, now we will move further. Like we can take an example that let's say in carbon is represented by C12 and here it is 6. So electron and proton in carbon is 6. Another we can see that neutron is number of neutron. This can be a question like in JEE or NEET, it can come that number of neutron in carbon. So electron and proton are 6, neutron is 12 minus 6. As we can see, it is A minus Z, which is nothing but 6. That's all. Now we will move further. Moving further, we can see that what is molar mass. Let's start the concept that what is molar mass. Molar mass is nothing but mass of one mole of substance. Okay, the substance can be atom, it can be molecule, it can be ion. So when it is atom, we call it gram atomic mass. When it is molecule, we call it gram molecular mass. When it is ion, we call it gram ionic mass. Got it? No problem. Any doubt, confusion, you write in comment section. Also, please like and subscribe the video. Okay. These all are type of molar masses. So this is one concept we wrote. For example, we will take CO2. CO2 carbon is nothing but 12 gram. Oxygen is nothing but 16 gram. So what is its molar mass? Molar mass is nothing but 12 plus 16 into 2. 32 plus 2, which is 44. This is its 44 gram is its basically molar mass. 44 gram is its nothing but molar mass. Got it? No, hope everything will be clear till now. Now further we will move to calculate some questions. Some question I will take now, then we will study further. Let me first, you note down simultaneously, you note down whatever I am writing, you note down, and any doubt mention in the comment section. You please like the video, go on, attendance जरूरी है इसीलिए like करते रहिए. आगे बढ़ते हैं तो सबसे पहले questions. First we will write some questions. Show questions. Question number 1 is, you have to calculate the number of moles in 6.4 gram SO2. Okay, so this is nothing but 6.4 divided by 64 is molar mass of SO2, which is nothing but 0.1. Like that question will become. We will take more questions and more concepts in next classes. Till now, many things we have covered. Now we will see further in the next classes. Thank you for attending, and please like and subscribe and share this video. Thanks a lot. We'll cover more in the coming lectures. Thank you.